It's only at the junction. Yes, it's only at the junction point where they make crisscross and all. So I'm not talking about that. But in general, railway lines are parallel to each other. That means they have equal distance between them. So such type of lines are called parallel lines. Okay. And the other lines, the lines which meet at a point are called intersecting lines. Good evening, Lakshita.
Good evening, ma'am.
How are you?
Good, ma'am. Fine, ma'am.
Okay, so we were talking about parallel lines and intersecting lines, okay? When two lines meet each other at a point, at a unique point, we call that they are intersecting, they are cutting each other, okay? And when the distance between them is equal throughout, we call the lines as parallel lines, okay? You must have seen the railway track. On the railway track, the tracks are always at equal distance between, okay? So that's parallel lines. So, and one more line, sort of line is there. See, in intersecting line, I said the two lines when they meet each other. So they are meeting each other at some angle, isn't that? The angle can be small, the angle can be big, the angle can be 90 degrees. Okay, so we'll discuss about that before we move on to the exercise part. So I'm sharing the screen with me, with all of you.
Are we doing try this?
Yes,
Are we doing try this?
we'll try, no?
Oh. Ma'am, not that try this. The exercise try this.
Yes,
Express, ma'am.
we'll do the exercise. We'll come to exercise also. But before that, you just listen. Okay? See, when I'm talking of intersecting line means when the two lines are cutting each other. These are called intersecting lines. That means these two lines are cutting each other at some point, at some angle, they are cutting each other. The two lines are making some angle with each other. Okay, so these are called intersecting lines. And when the two lines are parallel throughout, that means they never meet. Wherever they go, the distance between them will be the same. Distance between them will be the same. This, of course, suppose the distance is 1 meter, the distance will be same wherever it be. So these kind of lines are called parallel lines. Okay. And now I'm talking about intersecting lines. See, now suppose this is one line, straight line, and there is another line which is cutting this line. That means these are intersecting lines, the lines which cut each other. So this line must be making some angle with this line. Suppose this is line L1, this is line L2. These two lines are making some angle here, is it? So this angle can be acute also. And if it is making some big angle like this, from this side, if I measure, this can be obtuse. Okay. So the smaller angle which the two lines makes with each other is called acute angle. Smaller means the angle which lies between 0 and 90 is called acute angle. Okay.
And the angle which is more than 90 and less than 180 is obtuse.
Oh yes, very good. Okay, and the angle, where is 90 degree now? See, this straight angle, like this is 90 degree. Okay, that
Yes.
means this is a one line L1. Suppose this L1 goes from here and it reaches here. So this it makes a angle. When this line makes 90 degree angle with the other line, that is called
It is right
perpendicular.
angle.
We call it right angle. Okay, we call it a perpendicular also, and we call it a right angle also. Okay, when angle 90 degree angle is called right angle. Okay, and suppose if I have 190 degree angle here and I have another 90 degree angle here, so that means that is what 90 plus 90 will make a straight angle, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
290 degrees will make straight angle.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Now I was saying the angle which lies between 0 degrees. 0 degree is this baseline when there is no angle found. From 0 to 90 degree, the angles which lies between 0 to 90 are called acute angles. Okay. And those angles which lie from 90 to 180, angles that lie between 90 and 180 degrees are called obtuse angles. Okay. The exact 180-degree angle is called a straight angle. This complete straight line. The exact 90-degree angle is called right angle. Okay. All right. Now suppose if the angle goes further from 90 to 180 to another 270, 180 plus 90 is 270. So what is this angle called? This big angle, what it is called? Until it comes to back at the same position. So one complete circle when it makes from 90, then 180 degrees angle, then 90 degrees. Then 270 plus 90 is again 360. So one complete circle when it makes, it becomes 360. Okay, so that is called complete angle. Okay, complete angle is 360-degree angle. Okay, so 360-degree angle is complete angle.
What is 270 then?
270 also I am coming to. We call such type of angles as reflex angles. Okay, the angles which are greater than 180 and lies between 180 to 360 degree, we call them as reflex angles. All right, we call them as reflex angles. From 180 to 360 degrees, we call them as reflex angles. And one more thing is that whenever you are measuring the angle, the direction should always go anti-clockwise, like this. Anti means opposite direction of the clock movement. Clock movement is how? Clock moves like this, no? 1, 2, like this. From needle moves from here to here, like this. This movement is called clockwise movement. But if something is moving on the other side, that is called anti-clockwise. Okay. So whenever we are measuring angles, that means we always go from here, anti-clockwise. Okay. This angle, 0 to 90, 90 to 180, to 270, to 360. Like this, anti-clockwise. Okay. Right, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Great. Okay, now let's do some of the questions based on whatever we have discussed just now. Based on this, let's do some exercise sums. Okay. So coming to the first exercise. Okay. Use the figure to name. Now this is, you have to see this figure. The figure is given in front of you. And you have to name these. What is being asked here? First is 5 points. Which are the 5 points in this figure? Can you name any 5 points here? All the points are named here.
P, E, O, C, B.
Okay, good. So D is the point, E is the point, O is the point, C is the point, B is the point. Okay. So that is B, E, O, C, B. Okay. And between you can put commas here. Okay. Next, a line. Bhavesh, you tell me now. Yes, tell me which is the line here.
Okay, ma'am.
Line.
B O E D.
B-O-E-D. Great. Okay, so this is a line. From D to B is a line because it is going
And
on.
it is extending on both sides
extending
till
on both
infinite.
sides. Okay, so this is a line. So that is From D to B is a line. Okay, extending both sides. Now 4 rays. You tell me, Rakshita, now which are the 4 rays here?
O, B, C, D,
O, D, then
C, D.
C, D. C is here, D is here.
Should
O,
name the
the
rays.
rays. Yes, you have to name the rays.
O, C,
Yes, O, C,
O, B,
O,
in
B,
consecutive way.
and
and O, and
O,
O,
D
D.
also, O, E also. O, E can be a line segment. Okay, O, D. They have told 4 rays. So which is the 4th one here?
O to D.
O to E, O, E also you can take.
Like the O, O is like,
O, B, O,
there's
C.
no point there. O.
Okay, there is no point here. So we'll take 3 only. O, B, O, C, O, D. Okay. Now 5 line segments. Bhavesh, you tell me 5 line segments.
Ma'am, B O,
E, O, okay,
O C,
okay.
D E,
B, E, okay.
E O.
E, E, O you have already said. E, O I've written.
No, ma'am.
We have written B, E. Then O, B you can say. Is it? B, D also can be written B, D. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Name the line given in all possible ways, choosing only 2 letters at a time from the 4 given. Name the line given in all possible 12 ways. Okay, you have to name this line in 12 possible ways. Okay, so the 4 points are given here. So how can you name the line in 4 possible ways? Just listen to it first. Now here, see, you can name it as line AB. Okay. Line BC also you can write. Line CD also you can say. B to A, AB or BA. That's all the same only. Then you can have CB, then CD, DC or CD. Then you can have A to D, DA, AC, CA, BD, BB. Understood? All possible combinations we are taking. Right? So just see here. AB, BC,
C D
D, and 12
AC,
12
AC.
combinations we have to make, no? Then
AC, AC,
CB again, yes. Then
AC,
CB we can have, yes.
AC, ma'am.
C, yes. AD we can have. Then this is arrow both ways. Okay, then DA also we can have. That's how we're going to make all 12 ways. AC, CA, BD, BB, right? Or anything else? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. So these are some of the 12 ways we have written this line. Okay, bache? Yes, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, now use the figure to name. What to name now? So by looking at the figure, you have to write this. Line containing point E. Now, which is the line which is containing the point E? Which line is there which has the point E? See, point E is here. This is coming in line AE also. This is coming in line FE also. Is it? Yes? This point is coming into 2 lines, no? It's a part of AE also. It's a part of FE also. So
Yes.
AE is one line and FE is also another line. So we can see two possible lines here. Okay. Line passing through A. Lakshita, you tell me which is the line that's passing through A?
The line A, B, D, and C. Sorry.
E. So we can call it line AE from A to E. Right? We can call it AE. Okay. Line on which O lies. Havish.
O lies on F and E. F and O. F and O.
F and O. See on line F, there is no O. The O point is here, on which C is there. So CO. See the figure?
I can't see now.
Huh? Can you see?
Yes, ma'am, I can see, but I thought it
So you
was
can
on
see
that.
here, point O is lying on this line, CO. Okay? So that's CO. Two pair of intersecting lines. So now name any two pair of intersecting lines. Lakshita, tell me. Tell me the name of one pair first.
E,
Yes.
CO and
O.
like
And
A, E.
very good. CO and AE is one pair of intersecting lines. Bhavesh, you tell me another intersecting line. Another pair.
I'm sorry?
Another pair of intersecting line.
DE.
Huh?
DE.
DE. Yes. And
C and B. C and B.
C and D. D, C, that already Lakshita has told. AE and CO. So that means CO is this line, AE is this line. You tell me the other pair of lines.
FD. FD.
Yes, very good. That is FE and AE. Okay, that's AE and FE. Okay. Okay, how many lines can pass through one given point? From one point, how many lines can pass?
Infinite.
I can make like this. Yes, very good. I can make like this. I can make like this. So I have a choice to pass as many lines as I want to. Is it? So that means infinite lines can pass through it. From one point, infinite lines can pass through it. And what if I'm given 2 points? How many lines can pass from 2 given points?
Only one.
Yes. So only one line can pass. Like this. Okay. No other line. Okay. Draw a rough figure and label suitably in each of the following cases. Now here you have to make a figure now in your notebooks. First one is point P lies on AB. Can you make a figure in your notebook with your scale? Make a line AB first and take point P on it. Please draw a rough figure and label suitably in each of the following cases. The first one is point P lies on AB. So first you will make a line AB like this from A to B. Okay, and then you will take a point P on it. This is what you will do. Do it.
Okay, ma'am.
Make with pencil and scale in your notebooks. Don't put off the videos. Keep your videos on.
I didn't understand.
See here, you have to make a rough figure. The question is saying, draw a rough figure. Rough means just a general figure in your notebook. Make a line. Point P lies on AB, line segment AB. Now I have made a line segment from A to B and I took a point P on it. That's it.
I'm done.
Yes, good, Bachit. Show me on the screen. Show me your notebook on the screen in front of the camera. Yes, bring it closer. Put it down, little more down.
Can you see some line?
I can see the book, but I cannot see. You're not holding it right.
Maybe make it a little bit dark.
Yes, I can see Lakshita. Yes, good, bache.
And now?
Yes, I can see now. Hold it little back. Move it little back. So it's blur actually. Your side is coming blur, but I can see you have done. Okay. Otherwise, the figure is coming blur. Okay. Now see the second one. X, Y. Now again, this is to draw a figure. See the B part. Line XY and PQ intersect at M. Two lines are intersecting at point M. So how will you draw these two lines? See, I have made two lines like this. This is line XY. This is line PQ. Okay, from P to Q. Make arrows here. And they are intersecting at point which is called M. Understood this? The two lines XY and PQ intersecting at point M. Do it.
Can you see?
I can see now. Move it little back, little back.
Second is.
Yes, I can see. Yes, yes. Yes, Bhavish. That's so good.
1 second, I'll try a little bit.
Yes, good, Betty. Good, good. Yes, that's nice. Good. Okay, now see line L contains E and F but not D. There is a line L which has points E and F on it but no point D on it. That means point D is outside the line. Now do it yourself. How will you do? Make some line L and take points E and F on it and some other point D which is not on the line. Do. Have you understood what to do? No? See here, it's simple. Make a line L. So you will, with your scale, you will construct a line which is L. Okay, its name is L. Now it's saying it contains points E and F. So it has point E, it has point F on it, but not D. D is not a point on this line. So D is some point which is outside the line. Understood now? Isn't it simple?
And should we draw the D outside of the line?
Yes, it's out. D is outside the line. No, it's saying but not D. E and F on the line but not D.
Done, ma'am.
Very good. Okay, see the next. See,
Done, ma'am.
children, this second question is the sixth one. I'll discuss the fourth part now. But before that, I'm saying this sixth question. Consider the following figure of line MN. This is the figure you are given. See whether following statements are true or false. This is homework for you. Okay? So by looking at the figure, you have to say whether the statements are true or false. Right? Will you do it as a homework? Do them. Okay?
Explain one problem.
So take it for a homework. Now see the fourth one. I'm doing the D part now. This one, D part. Question number 5, D part. OP and OQ meet at O. Now OP is one line here. You can see the arrow here on it. OP and OQ meet at O. So OP is another line, O to P. Okay. Then there is another line, O to Q. OP and OQ meet at point O. They are meeting at point O. Yes? And it is saying they are line. It's not a ray, they are line. That means it's extending on both sides. Yes? Is it? Whenever you are making geometrical figures, you should always use scale and sharpened pencil. Okay, so this much in today's class, beta. Okay, next. So this is for
I'm done.
Can you explain one problem in the homework?
yes, which problem, beta?
Any problem, like in our
From the
homework.
homework part. From the homework you are saying?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'll just explain you now only. Consider the following figure of line MN. Okay, this is the line MN. You can see the figure here. State whether the following statements are true or false in context of the figure. Now, first one is Q, M, O, N, P are points on the line MN. Q, M, O, N, P. Of course, they are points, so that's true. It's quite visible. M and O are points on the line segment MN. MN is the line segment from M to N. Okay, now it's saying MON are the points on the line segment MN. So yes, they are. Isn't it? From M to
Yes.
N is a line segment and O also lies in between. So it's true. Okay? Yes, Lakshita?
Okay, ma'am.
Next one is false.
So you see, just go through it, read it, see the figure and analyze it. Okay? Okay, beta? Please take
Yes.
it as a homework. Do it.
Okay, ma'am.
Great. Thank you for today. Bye,
Thank you, ma'am.
Vijay.
Have a good
Bye,
day.
beta. Bye.
Bye,
Bye.
ma'am.
Bye, beta.